In this tutorial, we're going to dive into Python programming by exploring how to access values in a dictionary. Don't worry if you have never programmed before. We'll start from the basics and make it fun and easy. In Python, a dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets, and they have keys and values. Here we have created a dictionary named student with keys name, age and major, and their respective values Alice, 20 and computer science. Now, let's access the value of the key name. We'll use the square brackets for this. As you can see, we just put the key we're interested in inside the square brackets, and Python will give us back the value associated with that key. And there you have it. The output is Alice, which is the value for the key name. Now, let's try to access a key that doesn't exist in our dictionary using the same method. Let's say we're looking for the key grade. As you can see, when we try to access a key that doesn't exist in our dictionary, Python gives us a key error. Now, let's introduce a safer way to access values in a dictionary using the get method. This method returns the value for the given key, if present in the dictionary. If not, it returns a default value. In this piece of code, we're first accessing the value of major using the get method. Then, we're trying to access grade again, but this time, instead of letting it throw an error, we're telling Python to return not found if the key doesn't exist. As you can see, the output for major is computer science and for grade, which doesn't exist in our dictionary, the output is not found. The get method did not raise an error, making our program safer. That's the main difference between square brackets and the get method. Square brackets will raise a key error if the key is not present in the dictionary, while the get method will return a default value instead. Alright. That's it for this tutorial on accessing values in a Python dictionary. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to experiment with these methods and explore more on your own. Happy coding!